What's going on, guys? So today we have the FX LRST in vivid black, and I'm going to tell you why this is my favorite motorcycle and why it should be yours too. But first, let's get this out into the road. Let's get this out into the light so we can see more about the bike and you can hear a little bit of what I got going on. Get going, Big Rod. Come on, Big Rod. Move. Come on, move it. Thank you.
Brother.
Right, so this is my FX LRST. You just heard it start up. We got S&S slash cuts that I'm going to show you in a second. Now the bike's really dirty. Definitely needs a wash. See all that drywall dust from me doing unnecessary work in the house, but we got our slash cuts that sound pretty good. Get another roar at it.
Nice.
We got our front and rear LED turn signals with the halos, so when your turn signal comes on, they go from white to amber. They blink amber in the middle. Obviously our HD headlight that comes with it. The back does the same thing, but without a conversion kit to make the LED halo come up, they don't come on until I buy that. So we have LEDs in the front and the back, the slash cuts, and our lay down license plate, because the one came on the bike was straight up and down and it just looked kind of chintzy and goofy. Now this is a great bike for people that are looking for that kind of like West Coast style, not necessarily like a bobber or a big bagger, but in between. If you're new to this channel, this is a new bike. Before, I had a 2011 Sportster 1200, and everything that I wanted in this bike that I got on this bike, I wanted to do to that Sportster. This is a very simplistic bike that Harley came out with in 22 that I love. I did a demo day and tried to make up my mind on what type of bikes I wanted to buy or get, and it just so happened to be that the one that I got was this one. It was between that and a Breakout. If you know what a Breakout is, it's pretty much soft tail, more chrome, bigger wheels, no fairing, no bags, and that's pretty much it. And a T-bar handlebar. My bad.
Have you ever had a dream that you could do so?
My bad. So yeah, so this has a 5-gallon tank. It has 124 foot-pounds of torque for a stock bike with the 117. That's just shy under 2,000 cc's. Unless I'm wrong, it might be more. But the bags are detachable, so you don't look like an old man if that's your style. But you can buy the same bike in a lowrider S without the bags and the ST for about 19 grand. You can pick up this bike for about 22. If you buy this stuff separate, that fairing is like 2 grand. These bags are like, I forget, like 1,600. So you can keep the fairing, get a little bit more of that wind resistance, get rid of those bags, because all they do is they detach off really easy. Now these bags here, you can just flip that up and these pull off, but these bags aren't anything to cry home about. They get the job done. You have enough room to do everything you need to do. But yeah, I wanted to turn that Sportster. I wanted to get a 4.5 gallon tank, put some bags on it, and inverted forks or a better suspension for that bike, which we did if you watched my last video. So I ended up picking this up because of everything that it has and everything that I need. It's got cruise control, it's got a fairing to deflect the wind, it's got that 117, which has a lot of power for stock, so I won't need to really upgrade for a while, will I? Probably. It's got bags in case I need them, and the bike overall just is way more comfortable with your inverted forks. It's got the Brembos in the front and the back, and your monoshock for your soft tail platform. It's a great bike for anyone that's really trying to get out there and ride. I didn't post this bike a year ago. I bought this in July, so almost a year, only because I wanted to get my first impressions of it. I bought it with 3 miles on it, and right now we are sitting at a full gas tank. We are sitting at about 1,800 miles. So the bike is quick, the bike is fast. I couldn't make up my mind on a lot of things because I'm a big Harley Davidson rider. I definitely love this bike. The only things I did was those 3 things. We are putting in the Rockford Fosgate and a Android Auto / CarPlay navigation screen to kind of get that more of a bagger, I'd say you're street gliding up feel to it. So that way I have a screen, I have some music I can play out loud, do my own thing and have fun. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My next video coming out would be me doing the install. Yep, there's the bike. The install and the review of the Rockford Fosgate and the new 7-inch Car Per Ride Android Auto / CarPlay screen. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.